Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vani. I am AWS certified engineer. Today we will discuss AWS code pipeline part 3. Yeah, here we will include code build for new. Once the code is pushed to the GitHub, after GitHub CI/CD comes into picture. Continuous integration, continuous deployment or delivery. Continuous integration is starts from source location and ends in build location. After that, continuous deployment. When the code is comes to the once the code is comes to the staging part, that is deployment. After manual test approval, the code is comes to the production environment, that is delivery. Here source artifact, build artifact, these two terms, new terms. Artifact, what is artifact? A set of file or files produced as output, that output used as input for the later action. Once the code is comes to the GitHub, by using source artifact, code build builds the code. After that, after that build artifact, by through the build artifact, the code is deployed in production environment or stage environment, whatever. Now we go to the lab session. I use my Angular repo. I already created the bucket. This is for production bucket. Uh, there is no content here. When the pipeline triggers, the content is comes to here. Is the code. Now 404 array is showing. Now we will build pipeline for our lab. Create pipeline. Build custom pipeline. Next, we will give here our pipeline name. Third pipeline. Execution mode queued. And then I put as default settings here. Next, source. What is source? GitHub. GitHub app is our source. Here, in previous video, I made the second pipeline connection from our AWS console to GitHub connection. Repository name. Here I put the code, entire code. Master branch. And then next. Build. I used here code build. There is no project, so create project. Operating system, I recommend Ubuntu. And here build spec file. Build spec.yml file. Remaining I kept as default. Now leave. Yeah, project name is third pipeline project. Source artifact. And then click next. Skip text stage. In upcoming pipelines, I add the test, unit test. For now, I skipped the test. Deploy. Where we will deploy Amazon S3. and build artifact. Bucket name is my Angular repo and extract file before deploy. Then build artifact deployed, extracted and deploy our production environment. Next. Yeah, this is review our pipeline. Create pipeline. Once this is created, then our pipeline automatically triggers because already I put a code, our website code here in GitLab repository. Now build is in process. It will take some time to build. Yeah, it is building. Our build is succeed and deployment is also succeed. Now we will check what will happen. Previously it will show 404 error. Now our website is coming. Sampler Angular app for AWS CodePipeline by Vani CloudOps. We will check our website is working fine or not. Operator plus and we'll take 8. Yeah, 48. Our website is also working fine. Thank you.